bikes will fill the state capitol here in Florida. They are pushing for insurance reform. Lawmakers will listen to them as they push for House Bill 1181. In short, here's what they want to accomplish, and this has been on the table for a long time, about 9 years. Florida is a no-fault state. They want to repeal and replace personal injury protection, meaning that if a motorist is out there and makes a mistake and is at fault and hurts a motorcycle rider, they want that motorist to be held accountable, and lawmakers will listen to them here today in Tallahassee. And I can tell you right now, this is not something you see every day. Hundreds of motorcycles heading for the courtyard here in Tallahassee.
Welcome to Tallahassee, everyone. Thank you for being here today. Thank you for fighting for bikers' rights. I love you. I appreciate you. We are so grateful to have wonderful representatives here today. Megan Weinberger, Maga Mag, is a co-prime sponsor of the show for us today. Thank you, Meg. She's a huge animal activist as well. She has 150 rescue animals. If you think anyone's going to outdo me, it's her. But these guys are here for us this year. They're going to fight for us. Thank you for being here. This is a different feeling than in 2023. We're going to get things done. Love you all. Thank you. Also would like to introduce Representative Kendall here. Thank you so much for your support. And to the Godfather, George Corella. You got to get this to Donald Trump.
So we're going to have everybody's attention. We're going to do a big photo shoot, and then we'll make everybody go back to the bikes, rev them up so they can hear us. Got it? I have to repeat that, or we're going to do it again. After the photo shoot, because I know it's early, after the photo shoot, we're all going to go back to the bikes. He's trying to listen. You hear me? All right, just go, because you went like this with the ear. I appreciate everybody coming out. This is great. But we'll go back to the bikes. We'll start them all up, rev them up, so the Capitol can hear us that we're here and get our message across about the insurance.
Anderson, thank you for everything you're doing for our community. We appreciate you very much.
Thank you. How about Danny?
Here's back to Danny.
And it's anticlimactic now, right? Yeah. So guys, if you don't believe that there's a movement in America going on right now where we are restoring our faith in freedom, in justice, in the American way, you are absolutely blind. But these motorcycles sure will remind you that America's going to come first, and America always. How about that? There is a reality that is taking over the nation where we talk about justice coming back to the American way, where the little man gets a voice, and where we don't get crushed by unbelievable bills that try to stop the American progress. And that's what we're here to talk about today. The number one thing that... Listen, this is what we're going to do. Every single time I say something, y'all don't clap. I'm just going to be like...
Yes!
That's how we're going to do this.
That's your hype woman.
So look, the number one thing that, and I want to thank my reps that are standing in front of me, the number one thing that we hear when we go door to door is, I love our freedom, I love the state of Florida, but it's choking me out. The system is choking me out. Well, we're here to take the hands off your throat so you can get back to being you, get back to your freedom, and get back to making a living and not worrying about your responsibility to what the government tells you, so that you can get back to the way you want to be and the way you want to live. So if you think this is about insurance, I'm telling you, you're wrong. This is about freedom. This is about making sure that we stand up for who we are as Florida's first people, that we love America first, and we're going to make sure that we get government out of the way so you can get rolling on these motorcycles. Yes. All right, who's going to join me in the committee room? Who's coming with me? All right, we'll see you there in about 20 minutes. Y'all got to go get ready. I'll see you guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you again, Representative Alvarez, for this wonderful bill. Thank you again to all of you guys for coming out today to support. We love and appreciate you. We're being heard, and we're thankful to be here.
Okay. A couple more pictures. One
is giving his official endorsement to Joe Gruters, who's running for CFO. Thank you for your service. And you want to grab it out of your beautiful bike?
Hold on, I gotta get some.
Okay. We know you're gonna go. But.
You look big.
Maga and there's Maga. Make Florida great again.
That's right.
When you're ready to get off.
What's the best way? Just,
The way you came on. There we go. All right. There
I
we
mean,
go.
I ride horses, but you know,
Well, there you go.
they're a little easier.
Good morning to you,
Good
man.
morning.
Thank you so much for
whole lot
hosting
of
all these
horses right
bikers.
there.
What are we doing here today?
We are making Florida affordable again, actually. We are big bill today, mandatory BI.
Yes.
We need to, well, let's talk to the
Prime co-sponsor of this bill.
Very cool.
So proud of what she's doing here. This is going to help all Floridians. We're going to lower insurance rates. So important to everyone here. And we'll repeal PIP and replace it with mandatory bodily injury coverage. And
So
you can, you
the
know,
goal here is to give bikers better protection and bring rates down. That's what we're doing, huh?
That's it.
exactly what our president's trying to do for our whole country.
And I got to ask you,
America
I know you're here quite a bit. To see this visual, to see hundreds of motorcycles in the courtyard. I mean, what is this experience like?
This is pretty exciting. Civil justice is going to be like never before, I have a feeling. At least
feels great.
This is amazing.
I am so proud of this group. Thanks to everyone for coming out.
Thank you guys for hosting us. We do appreciate it. Dozens of motorcycles filling the Florida State Capitol today. They are fired up. They are here to fight for insurance reform. It is House Bill 1181. Lawmakers are here. Motorcycle riders from all over the state of Florida are here. The Fran Haasch Law Group is here. And they're heading into the Capitol right now to let their voice be heard. George rode a long way on his trike.
Unfortunately, we have to stand here and oppose this legislation today, but look forward to continuing the conversation.
Things are reduced. Their insurance rates are reduced. Mike?
Good news for this group here, it just passed this committee. Good news for these bikers, there was a big cheer moments ago as House Bill 1181 has passed this committee. Hey, so I want smiles. A lot of people pumped up about that. Congratulations, guys.
Yeah, we have more wins.
George, J-Mac, hey guys, have a safe trip home. We just want to say
Appreciate
thanks
it.
for coming. Guys,
Thanks
did
for
you,
everything you do.
you're very welcome. Did you accomplish what you hoped to accomplish here in Tallahassee?
Yes, we have. Go ahead.
Yeah, I think surprisingly, and I shouldn't say surprisingly, time and some folks deciding to listen made a difference. This bill passed. It passed committee, that's the biggest hurdle. It happened. So, yeah, I think we made a difference, and We're just going to keep pressing.
People don't know how important the motorcycle community is.
It is.
And it's very important because especially how much we could get hurt and stuff, where they don't have, the people, the cars that hit us don't have the responsibility that they're supposed to have.
Well, you just touched on something that I wanted to drill home, and I wanted to let everybody know this is not a partisan issue. This is a motorcycle issue. If you are a biker, this is designed to help you as a biker. Do you agree?
I agree, 100%.
Let me tell you, George and I, of course we get along, obviously, but we're about as polar opposites as you could possibly think. Anybody watching this that knows this can tell you that. But you put all that to the side because when it comes to being a Floridian, being an American, folks have to do what's right. And guess what? Like you said, it's not a partisan issue. It's not right. It's not left. It's being a Floridian, being an American, being a biker, and doing what's right to protect all of us.
Awesome. Awesome, guys. Have a safe ride home, and thanks for being here.
Thank you. Thank you.
So how about that, guys? What a day, what an experience. House Bill 1181 passes the committee. What that means is it now moves to the House floor, and we will see what happens next. Remember, in short, what they want to do here is they want to try to make insurance more affordable and give motorcycle riders more protection. Let me know your thoughts down below, and we will keep you posted. Make sure you subscribe, and if you like this video, make sure you check out all the videos there are to see here on Cycle Drag. We have certainly got your back, and again, I want to drive home to everybody out there watching, this is not a partisan issue. We are here supporting motorcycles. We don't get involved in partisan issues. We love two wheels, and that's what we're all about. We're here to give you some entertainment and joy and keep you updated on all the news happenings in the two-wheeled world. And this is a big one. As you heard in there, Florida is only one of 2 states that has not adopted this. From talking to a lot of bikers, it's something they want. It's something they're pushing for. So we will see what happens next, guys. From the Florida State Capitol here in Tallahassee, Cycle Drag rolls on.